We're here in Lumberton, North Carolina at the Lumberton Bowling Center of Lumberton, North Carolina. I'm here with my son Israel. How you doing, young man? And that's me, Brother James. I'm out here, I'm showing him how to bowl a little bit. I told him last time I bowled was basically before he was born, but I once was the national champion of the Bowling League logarithmic computation of the Mathematics Association here in Lumberton, North Carolina. And so basically it's been a long time. But like I told him, it's like riding a bicycle. And we've already bowled one game. We won't tell you how that went. So we're gonna let you see the first bowl of each person. And then we'll let you be the judge of how you think the outcome is gonna be, okay? Be sure and pay attention to the skill level and the form and all that good stuff. Which one's my ball? Which one's mine? This one or that one?
The medium.
This one, okay, the medium? All right. Amateur mistake number one. The amateur will always go for the heaviest ball, thinking it makes them look
You're using the
tough.
same size as me.
And no, yours is large,
Oh,
and mine's medium.
that means the whole size is bigger. You trying to find something?
You might wonder what I was doing when I was looking through my site here. I've got a site that I use. A lot of people consider that cheating, but it's something I developed, and it helps me get a strike basically every time.
Okay. It's gonna be crazy if you don't get one.
Okay.
Okay.
My finger got stuck in the hole just a little bit, and as you can see, I've got
What is that?
3 left up there. I'm gonna show you how to take down all 3 at one time. I got robbed
Okay.
on that one. Okay, I got robbed.
Got
but I'm
robbed.
not gonna call the police on that one. But if it happens again. Okay, here we go. You have anything you want to tell us before you step off there and make a gutter ball? I mean, you know, do your best.
Well, I did just wash my hands,
Okay.
so I might be
Okay. Let's see what he's got. Let's go, Israel. Looks good. Looks good. Excellent.
really strong, but just in the wrong spot.
So we have 3, just like mine. Just like mine. So
But I pick it up.
you'll see you pick those up. So that's where we're at. We're on the first frame, and we're gonna roll them all through and see how it goes here. All right, fantastic. Excellent. There we go. So, I mean, if we'd like to, we could do the second one as well.
Do the second one too.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna pass this off to
You don't even need to pause it.
my son here. He likes to put his hands all in the frame.
That's what I do.
Okay. Now, as I said, the first time my hand got kind of stuck in the hole here because it is
Okay.
a medium size.
Then use the
Yeah.
large. Use the large.
You know, I'm trying to give him a little handicap here.
Yeah.
So, and,
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the thing works.
Rob.
That's a good start. That's a good start. Okay, so I've got one left. So basically what you want to do is dial it in, and there's a couple ways you can do that. You can come in from an angle, or you can go straight head on. I generally like to go straight on.
Yeah.
I'll show you what I mean by that. That lets me know right there the floor might be a little bit out of balance, just a hair, not even noticeable difference. But anyway, we're here and having a good time. Let's see what my son's gonna do. He didn't fare too well on that last frame. That looks real good.
Oh,
Real good. Okay, he's left with 2 on that one, so.
And that looks like an easy spade. All you gotta do is hit one.
Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I'm figuring what he's gonna do is pick up maybe 1, possibly 0. But we'll see. There we go. As I anticipated.
Is it just the camera?
You got to be tough under pressure. All right. You want to do one more?
You ain't even got a strike.
You want to do one more? Let's do one more just to show you.
Okay.
I've been dialing it in.
What you? Oh, this is the one right here.
Yeah, this is the strike.
Okay. I accidentally took a picture. This is the one.
It really slipped.
That was the one, y'all.
If you play it back, you'll see it slip right out of my finger.
Maybe we'll have the guys play it
So
back.
that's gonna put pressure on me now to go ahead and take them all out. So I'll go ahead and do that for you.
That was it.
There we go.
That was it.
That's the way I roll.
Oh yeah.
Literally. Okay, now let's see. Let's see what you're gonna do. All right. Looks good. Looks real good. Whoa.
I was robbed again.
Looks real good. There you go. 5 pin. Let's see how he handles that. Okay. See what he's gonna do. Oh, so close, but yet so far. Okay, I think basically we got a pretty good game right now. I'm not taking advantage of it or anything like that. It's a pretty fair game. So let's go ahead and roll this thing out, and the last frame, or we're basically gonna let them make up their mind. Kind of predict what the outcome would be at this point.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, so folks,
Did you show the score?
yeah, this brother James with my son Israel, and he won't be with us much longer. He's going to graduate from the high school, and he's decided on his career path, and we're excited about that. So we wanted to come out and get a little bowling in, and there's a couple pool tables around there. We've used pool tables before, but not the official size ones, and so I told him it's a little different on that compared to the bar ones they have at the gym we've been using. So we're going to do that and keep on having a good time, and praise the Lord. Talk to you later. Bye bye.